come up?
Yep. Okay. Good there.
Okay, hold on a second, it's scratching here. You're gonna have to line the bottom up first. And then, because all I can do is the side to side on top here.
Okay, so it can come down.
Give it a good 8 on the bottom, please.
Okay, I think you're good. Well, inside is. Right side is high. Well, you're about a 1/4 inch right now.
And come down a bit.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, line it up, push this film, that's the adhesive here, apply it, and then retest everything. That small section of 6 to 8 inches will hold the film on the glass now. So now you want to line it up, make sure it's all lined up perfectly, that it hasn't shifted. Squeeze it down to make sure. Bottom is good there?
Yeah.
Squeeze it down to make sure your gaps are all even. Looks good. So you have approximately 3/8 of an inch at the top here, space, and approximately 1/8 of an inch on the sides and the bottom. This gives it allowance for not being square. And you're ready to start squeegeeing it out. Don't worry about air pockets in this section because you basically want to start from this section down. And then we'll come back up and do that last 6 to 8 inches afterwards.